Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Milat Hayom, word of the day is the word terminal and terminals. I'm not talking about the terminal at the airport. And actually, in Hebrew, we say this in Hebrew too. It's a loan word. So at the airport, the same word terminal. Terminal. But what I'm talking about is this word, because terminal has also two other meanings in English, of course, and in Hebrew. For transportation, lines or pipelines, a final station or point. And in computers, a device for receiving and inputting data to and from a central computer. So, this would be masuf, masuf, masculine, singular, and plural, mesofim, mesofim. So, bus terminal in Hebrew would be מסוף אוטובוסים. מסוף אוטובוסים. Bus is autobus and plural autobusim. So, מסוף אוטובוסים. And what was the logic when inventing this word? Sof, right, in Hebrew is end, finish, death. And actually in foreign languages, the word terminal is also from the end, sofi or sofani. So we took the word sof and added here the mem and masuf. It's like the buses arrive at the end of the road in this location, Masuf. So it's the same logic in the word bus, terminal, and even in Hebrew, Masuf. And sof, we already talked about this word. More links and information in the description box below. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.